So I hope you guys are enjoying these warmer temperatures that have come into most part of the states here, upper 40s and low 50s next couple of days here. We're going to have some rain chances midweek, but late week we are watching the potential for yet another snowstorm. So we're going to dive into this very quickly because it's so far out. We're just going to highlight potential. We're not going to make any forecasts. We're just going to take a look at what could happen. Two models we use for mid and long term, mid range and long range type of setups like this. This is going to happen on Saturday, we're thinking. The GFS goes first, and you're going to see here through the week. We're going to go through Tuesday, some rain showers pop in through the overnight into the Wednesday afternoon and evening time frames. Again on Thursday, just kind of light showers, nothing too heavy at times. Nothing too heavy, should I say? Nothing, no flooding, nothing like that expected. Just casual rain. As we get into the Thursday time frame, some snow showers possible up in northern Michigan. But as we get into this Friday evening and Saturday morning time frame, you can kind of start to see the system take shape as a low pressure down there in the southern part of Indiana, and that swings up northeastward towards us. As you can see here, Saturday morning at 8 a.m. You can kind of see it's starting to change over to snow, and by Saturday afternoon, we have heavy, intense snow on the backside of that low. This is one model. This is a GFS model, more trusted model this year. Only snows for a brief time on Saturday morning, afternoon, so it's going to snow very heavily. It's going to be very wet snow. That's one model solution that may not happen because these models are kind of far apart still. But just for a potential, just to go over this really quick, we're going to look at snowfall. As you can see here, the snowfall, once it gets to loads up here, we can kind of see, bam, right there. So through Saturday evening into Sunday morning, you can kind of see there a quick, heavy 2 to 4. The model run earlier, if we go back one model run back to this morning's run of the GFS, it was significantly higher. So just highlighting some potential here, as you can kind of see as it loads in, give it a second. Internet's kind of slow. Bam, right there. You can kind of see a heavier swath there in central parts of Michigan. Because of March and the warmer sun angles and stuff like that, it may not all stick. So what could be 8 to 12 may fall. Only 3 to 5 is going to stick. One more model to look at is really quickly the European, as it paints a very different picture. As we look at these total snowfall accumulation, we can kind of see it has it through Saturday evening and morning to the north of us. So northern Michigan, parts of central Michigan seeing some snowfall. So these warm temperatures are going to stick around 40s and 50s through about Thursday into Friday, and then it kind of drops off into Saturday as the system moves in. So expect a possibility of snow somewhere. Mainly, we're thinking in the lower peninsula, but the upper peninsula could see a 1 to 3 event. It's just going to depend on a bunch of dynamics. As we get closer, we'll kind of nail this down further. So thanks, guys, for watching. Stay tuned to the page for updates. Appreciate you guys.